10 simple conversations at a restaurant.
Have you ever been at a restaurant and suddenly didn't know what to say? Maybe you want to order. Maybe your food is wrong. Maybe you need to tell them about an allergy. Or maybe you've been waiting too long and you don't want to sound rude. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to say in 10 real restaurant situations, step by step, so you can speak naturally and confidently in English. Let's start simple. You walk into a casual restaurant. You're not sure how ordering works. Here's how to order at the counter.
Hi, this is my first time here. Could you please explain how ordering works?
Of course. You can order at the counter, and we will bring the food to your table once it is ready.
That sounds easy. I would like the grilled chicken sandwich with fries, please.
Would you like anything to drink with your meal today?
Yes, I would like a glass of iced tea without lemon, please.
No problem. Would you like to add a side salad instead of fries for a small extra charge?
Thank you for offering, but I will keep the fries this time.
Great choice. Would you like any sauce on the side?
Yes, I would like some ketchup and a little mayonnaise on the side.
Perfect. Your total comes to $12.50.
I will pay with my card, please.
You can insert your card here and follow the instructions on the screen.
Thank you very much. How long will the food take?
It should be ready in about 10 minutes, and we will call your name when it is ready.
That sounds good. Thank you for your help.
That was smooth and natural. Now let's see how to make a reservation by phone. You want to book a table for dinner. What do you say? Here's how to make a reservation politely.
Hello. I would like to make a reservation for dinner this Friday evening.
Certainly. What time would you prefer to come in?
We would like a table for 4 people at around 7:30.
Let me check our availability for that time. Yes, we do have a table available at 7:30.
That is perfect. Could we please have a quiet table if possible?
I will make a note that you prefer a quiet area.
Thank you. The reservation will be under the name Johnson.
May I have your phone number in case we need to contact you?
Yes, my number is 555-7824.
Thank you. Your reservation for 4 people at 7:30 on Friday is confirmed.
I appreciate your help. We look forward to dining there.
We look forward to seeing you on Friday evening.
That was clear and confident. Now let's look at asking about the menu. The menu looks overwhelming. You need a recommendation. Here's how to ask about the menu.
Excuse me, could you tell me what you recommend from the menu?
One of our most popular dishes is the seafood pasta because it is fresh and flavorful.
That sounds interesting. Is it very spicy?
It has a mild spice level, but we can adjust it if you prefer less heat.
I would prefer it less spicy, please.
Certainly. Would you like it with cream sauce or tomato sauce?
I would like the tomato sauce because I prefer something lighter.
That is a great choice. Would you like to add a side of garlic bread?
Yes, I would enjoy some garlic bread as well.
Perfect. I will place your order right away.
Thank you. I am excited to try it.
I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know if you need anything else.
That was easy and natural. Now what if something goes wrong? You ordered vegetarian, but they brought pepperoni. Here's how to handle a wrong order politely.
Excuse me. I believe I ordered the vegetarian pizza, but this one has pepperoni on it.
I am very sorry about that mistake. Let me take this back to the kitchen right away.
Thank you. I just want to make sure I receive the vegetarian version.
Of course, we will prepare a new one immediately.
I appreciate that. How long will it take?
It should take about 10 minutes to prepare a fresh pizza.
That is fine. Thank you for fixing the issue.
We truly apologize for the inconvenience.
I understand that mistakes happen. Thank you for handling it quickly.
Your correct pizza will be out shortly, and we will make sure everything is perfect.
I really appreciate your help.
Thank you for your patience.
Handled with confidence. Now let's move to paying the bill. You're finished eating, you're ready to leave. Here's how to ask for the bill politely.
Excuse me, could we please have the bill when you have a moment?
Certainly, I will bring it to your table right away.
Thank you. We had a wonderful meal tonight.
I am very glad to hear that you enjoyed everything.
Yes, the service was excellent as well.
That means a lot to us. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Does this include the service charge?
No, the service charge is not included.
I will leave a tip because the service was great.
We truly appreciate that. Please take your time.
Here you go. Thank you again for everything.
Thank you for dining with us. We hope to see you again soon.
That was smooth and respectful. Now let's order takeout by phone. You're calling to place a takeout order. Here's how to order takeout clearly.
Hello, I would like to place an order for takeout, please.
Of course. What would you like to order today?
I would like 2 cheeseburgers and 1 large order of onion rings.
Would you like to add any drinks to your order?
Yes, I would like 2 bottled waters as well.
All right. Would you like everything ready for pickup in about 20 minutes?
Yes, that timing works perfectly for me.
May I have your name for the order?
The order will be under the name Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. Your total is $23.
I will pay when I arrive to pick it up.
That is perfectly fine. We will have your order ready shortly.
Thank you very much. I will see you soon.
We look forward to seeing you.
That was simple and organized, but what if the food isn't right? Your soup arrives, and it's almost cold. Here's how to say it politely.
Excuse me, my soup is not very warm. It seems to be almost cold.
I am very sorry to hear that. Let me take it back and heat it up for you.
Thank you. I would really appreciate a hot bowl of soup.
Of course. We want you to enjoy your meal.
I understand that sometimes these things happen.
We apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you for taking care of it so quickly.
I will bring you a fresh and hot bowl in just a few minutes.
That would be wonderful. Thank you again.
Here's your new bowl of soup. Please let me know if the temperature is better.
Yes, this is much better. I appreciate your help.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy the rest of your meal.
Calm and respectful. Now let's talk about something more serious. You have a peanut allergy. You need to speak up. Here's how to explain your allergy safely.
Before I order, I need to mention that I have a peanut allergy.
Thank you for letting us know. We will make sure your food does not contain any peanuts.
I really appreciate that because it is a serious allergy.
I understand. I will also inform the kitchen staff.
Could you tell me which dishes are completely peanut-free?
The grilled salmon and the vegetable stir-fry are both safe options.
I will choose the grilled salmon, please.
That is a great choice. We will prepare it carefully.
Thank you for being so helpful.
Your safety is very important to us.
That makes me feel comfortable dining here.
We are happy to provide a safe experience for you.
That was clear and important. Now, what if you've been waiting too long? You've been waiting for 30 minutes. Here's how to check on your order politely.
Excuse me. We have been waiting for about 30 minutes. Could you check on our order?
I sincerely apologize for the delay. Let me check with the kitchen right away.
Thank you. We were just wondering how much longer it might take.
I understand your concern. Your order should be ready in about 5 minutes.
I appreciate the update.
We truly apologize for keeping you waiting.
Thank you for checking. We were just a little worried.
I completely understand, and we appreciate your patience.
We are looking forward to the meal.
It will be out shortly, and we hope you enjoy it.
Confident and calm. Let's end on a positive note. The food was amazing. You want to say something kind. Here's how to compliment the restaurant naturally.
I just wanted to say that the food was absolutely delicious tonight.
Thank you so much. We are very happy to hear that you enjoyed it.
The flavors were amazing, and everything was cooked perfectly.
That is wonderful feedback for our kitchen team.
I will definitely recommend this restaurant to my friends.
We truly appreciate your recommendation.
The atmosphere is also very comfortable and welcoming.
We are glad you felt comfortable here.
We will certainly come back again soon.
We look forward to serving you again in the future.
Thank you for a great dining experience.
Thank you for choosing our restaurant.
These are real conversations you can use anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English conversations, and I'll see you in the next video.